Sorkar Jylla Meghalaya RiKhasi palai mtakatayo kala shimya karai ban Pynkhlain ya Jingai Tika Jylla Brockway Habaikren bigla pathai khubor mentri rangba Jylla conduct ki sangma uloyet hu baga Sorkar India kala minjur ban pha eki dewai I inject tika na kabenta ki bakhat pras nam sheneng bat kumta Jylla kan sala ban I ki tika na kabenta ki bakhat pras nam sheneng bat kumjuru na kabenta ki basau pesan nam sheneng Ukondor ulai thuru ya kabamenta Jylla kadon shilak san pho hajar tali ki dawai I inject tika bat lakhmi lenti bo ansala ban pinkiu shu katkum ka jingdon kam bat katkum ka jing trei kam jo ka jing I tika.
Strategy is going to change because of the fact that Government of India has allowed the 18 plus or rather Government of India has agreed to now supply the 18 plus category also. So therefore based on that we will be able to now vaccinate and combine both the 18 plus and 45 plus in one category. So we have approximately 1,50,000 doses with us now. So therefore, if there are, the numbers obviously for the 45 plus is about 90,000. So we have more doses for the 45 age above. So now with the change in the policy, we'll be able to use those dosages even for the 18 plus. So in case there is reluctancy among the 45 plus, and we have more people coming in 18 plus category, we'll be able to use those 90,000 now in 18 plus also. So the numbers of vaccination will definitely now go up, and we expect that based on the performance and the work we do, the number of vaccines also will go up for us.